go out of town and stuff like that. So he's coming back home. He's been gone for 3 weeks. So I want to do a teaser while he's coming on his way back home. And I'm trying to find some lingerie for you, baby.
Hey Dad, we the Pigatt family. We the Pigatt family. We the Pigatt family. We the Pigatt family. Having some fun pursuing our dreams. You say, God, it's supreme. He gave us $1 and a dream. So come along with us. We the Pigatt family. We the Pigatt. Don't forget. We the Pigatt. Don't forget with the podcast.
Welcome back to the Pigatt family, y'all. Welcome back to the Pigatt family. Today we starting another lit vlog today. Today I got several things to do. Let me close this, get the stuff out. I got several things to do. I got Nicholas holding the camera. Tomorrow's Amanda's birthday. And we have to go get some of the decorations, go get some certain things. But also what I want to do today is my husband's coming back also tomorrow.
Hey baby. Hey Nicholas, Amanda, Caleb, Jacob, Sarah. Love y'all, miss y'all.
And because he's coming back tomorrow, y'all, some of y'all who are new to the channel, y'all don't know, my husband's a truck driver. So sometimes he's in and out and he has to go out of town and stuff like that. So he's coming back home. He's been gone for 3 weeks. So I want to do a teaser while he's coming on his way back home. Say what? I can get him to pull over for his lunchtime or whatever. And I want to tease him and tell him I'm buying some lingerie and stuff for him to come home.
It's about to go down.
So guys, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and like and comment and subscribe and tell me what you think, how he's gonna react, what he's gonna say. And if you're new to this channel, we need you right now. 1, 2, 3, hit that subscribe button. All right guys, let's go, Nicholas. Tell the vlog, hey. Tell everybody, hey. Oh, Amanda's not here right here with me because she's going to do her hair. Come on, Sarah, come back. Amanda's not here with us because she's going to get. So I'm going to go to Sarah's place. I wanted to go to Victoria's Secret, but my son ain't going to go over there right there with me. But he might, but just to see the ladies. But it's out of my way. So I'm going to either go to Marshall's. Also, if I don't go to this Marshall, I'm going to either go to this Marshall's, and then I'm going to go to the Target, to the other plaza. There's another plaza. They got a Target, Ross, and stuff like that. And I'm going to see if I don't find what I want to show him or whatever. We'll see. It's hard to get him on the phone sometimes because he's on the road, but I hope it works out. Last time I couldn't pull my prank on him, so I hope this work out. Last time I couldn't pull my prank on him. All right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go. All right, guys, so we have Family Dollar, and Sarah already asked me for tomorrow.
Oh no!
Sarah.
Say hi.
Hi. Show the people, show the camera. Okay, so Sarah won that, guys. Okay. Anyways. Oh Lord, Halloween is coming up, which is also the month of my birthday. Yes, I'm October baby, and that's coming up. Some of you getting ready for my birthday, y'all. Also on this video, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of clip of Nyla's birthday. I know last time I told you I was gonna do a video, a vlog, either a vlog or show y'all some clips. So in this video, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit right now of Nyla's birthday, and then we're gonna go into what I'm finna do to air.
Can you turn the mic up a little bit? Make some noise for the mother, baby! Come on now, you guys are doing it, every. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce the lady of the night. Make some noise for Nyla!
Kind of hard to see this one. Guys, so here's some decoration stuff, but it's not a lot, so I'm gonna have to hit the Dollar Tree. I know we've been doing a mini TikTok party, so I already know what I need. I'm gonna hit Dollar Tree because I ain't seeing what I like. Alright guys, we got some stuff here, but not, yeah. Cover your face, boo-boo. Alright guys, so we made it to Marshall's. So I'm gonna try to call my husband. If he don't answer here, we'll try Target. Alright guys, so like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna try to see if we can get Eric on the phone and see if I can tease him. So, we here at Marshall's. I gotta find the ladies out, but let's see if I can get him on. Hey, baby. How you doing? You still driving? I'm at Marshall's. Yeah, I know you're on your way home. You hear me? You hear me? Oh, I said I know you're on your way home. So I'm at Marshall's. And I'm trying to find some lingerie for you, baby. I miss you.
Go to Victoria's Secret.
I am, but you know tomorrow's Amanda's birthday. You're gonna be almost here, and I know you're on your way home. You want to go? You want me to go to Victoria's Secret?
Go all out. Go all out, man.
So what you want? You want all? You want to smell good and all that good stuff?
Oh my God. £80,000 ball. Don't play with me.
So I wanted to show you what I'm gonna get. So when you pull over, tell me when you can pull over so I can show you some stuff.
What?
Huh?
Across the long ago bridge, coming across this second.
You coming across the long bridge?
Yeah, man.
I'm not playing with you. I'm dead serious. I'm trying to get some lingerie for you. You said, oh God. Oh, I found something nice. Sarah. Come here, Sarah.
All right. Stop, man. I can't.
Okay, when you pull over, call me back, okay? Alright.
Pull over somebody's wife's backyard.
You can't pull over nobody's backyard, no.
Oh my God!
Oh, I ain't telling you to do that either.
Pull over one of these cornfields.
Oh, this is a pretty This is nice and silky, baby. So how long you got? How long before you home? 6 more hours?
Probably about 8.
8 more hours? Oh, Lord. All right. Well, I got something real sexy. I see something sexy already. I got to look for my size. I'm always looking. Love you too, baby. I'm going to try to make it to Victoria's Secret. We'll see.
All right. It don't matter where you get it from.
It don't matter where I get it from? Okay, what color do you want to see me in?
Oh, God.
Well, it don't matter, no colors? You want red, white, purple? What colors?
Hey, stop playing, huh? Quit playing with me. Bruh, you gonna make me do Bruh, real. You gonna need 3 of them. Guys, y'all get 3.
I'm suit.
Definitely want to see white. Man.
You
Red? Oh my God.
okay? I'm gonna get some red and some white. Any color?
Oh my God.
Okay, I'm gonna get some kind of red lingerie and some white. You want something pink? You want something pink? It don't matter? Okay. All right. Well, I gotta find something for my birthday anyways too. All right. You saying, oh my God, I know you ready to come home. Bye, baby. I can't get off the phone with you. I'm in the store. I gotta get off the phone with you. I gotta get off the phone with you. Plus I got Sarah with me. It's a good thing Sarah don't know. Alright. Yeah, I gotta go, okay? I got people looking at me crazy. I got people looking at me crazy like, what are you doing?
All right. You got me going crazy.
I got you going crazy? Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. Love you, baby.
All right.
Bye. I must, if I swing by another store, I'll call you. Okay? I got to get you thinking about when you come home. Love you, baby. Bye, baby. I'm gonna call you back. Let me look for those colors you said.
All right.
Got him!
Guys, so as y'all can hear, I got them on the phone. If I go to one more store, that'd be great. If I don't, we'll see. Because I got to get all the stuff for Amanda, her cake and everything else. Tell me, comment down below what y'all thought. Do you think that was wrong for me to tease him like that? He's trying to come home. He coming home, so I'm going to see him. So it's not actually a tease, but still a tease. Get him ready, come home. It's been 3 weeks. I love my hubby. All right, guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And let's go. All right, guys, I really can't find a good collection here. I was teasing him, but I still want to get something for him. I'm not seeing nothing, so I might have to go to Target. I don't know if I'm gonna call him, but at least I'll take you along with me and find something for him. And yeah. Okay, guys, so I just walked into City Trends. I don't know if y'all have a City Trends where you live at, but since it's in the same class I'm in already, I'm gonna check to see if they have any lingerie. If not, I'm used to Victoria's Secret. I don't know what's here, but I know I buy stuff for my kids here.
Mommy, look at Sarah.
Oh, that is so cute. Look at the hat, y'all. That's a cute hat. Hope. Breast cancer awareness. But this month is sickle cell awareness month, so I'm gonna mention that. You know, that's pretty, but don't put it over your head. They gotta sell it. That's nice.
I think the black look the best.
Don't put it on.
Everybody said I think the black look the best.
Look, y'all. Ain't that cute? That's pretty. Yeah, put it. Yeah, put it. Let them see it. They trying to feature the different hats. They want people to see different. All right, guys. So I'm used to all the other cute stuff. Go ahead and show them that real quick for the kids. But I didn't know if they had anything that I could have tried to grab in here. But no, they don't. So I'm gonna have to go to Target. Victoria's Secret is way out my way for what I need to do today. Like I told you, I'm trying to shop Amanda stuff, and it's already almost time to pick up the boys from school and stuff like that. They just get out earlier than the boys, so that's why. All right, guys. And Amanda gonna be calling me for her hair, that her hair is thing. So I don't know. I'm trying to work everything out. Okay. Well, it's some stuff I see, but I don't know. That's pretty. Oh, well, I guess so. Oh, this is pretty. I'm gonna show y'all the back, but really, I'm gonna be appropriate. Don't record the bottom because that's oh no, that's too much. That's too much for me. That's pretty. Ladies, y'all comment down below. If you married, y'all understand you have to keep your marriage. Don't be all funny and funny daddy.
Yeah.
I know how it goes. Gotta keep your marriage going. That's what's cute. No. Might not have to go to Victoria's Secret. That's all. We'll see. All right, y'all. I was rushing trying to get up out there because I'm not used to shopping here only for the kids stuff. But now I'm like, maybe I can grab something out of here. This is cute too. This color's nice. All right. I like this one too. This is cute and fairly what I like anyways. Alright guys, so I'm trying to call him, but it must be like he's not hearing it.
Bad connection.
Bad connection. I don't know what it is, but he's not answering. So anyway, we got his first reaction. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I did buy him something real quick. I don't know if I should go with the red or the pink. Ladies, comment down below if you think I should have been more bolder. But I did get the white. All right.
Man, my mama took me with me to get this stuff, and I'm the recorder. I'm gonna need to be baptized after seeing this stuff.
He said he needed me to clean his eyes, child. His eyes been blinded right now.